Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2001. What is printed by the print statements in the program P1 assuming call by reference parameters are passing? Meaning that wherever they are passing parameters, they are saying that you have to assume it as call by reference parameters. Okay, so here uh, P1 is executing. When P1 is executing, the variables x is created with a value 10, y is created with a value 3. And once the variable is created, it's having its own addresses like 100 and 200, I am assuming. And whenever we are calling a function, we should have to assume that it is called by reference parameter. Call by reference parameter means it is simply like address of y, address of x, address of x, meaning that I am going to pass addresses. As I am passing addresses, we can able to assume that these are various kind of pointers, right? That should be hard understood, right? So as these local variables x, y, and z, this address of y copied into this x. Address of y is what? 200. This address of x 100 is copied to here. This address of x is copied to z. I mean here address of y means what? 200 comma 100 comma 100 they are passing. Those three as usual I have written here in the parameters of x, y and z, right? As soon as it knows its address 100, it will be connected like this. As soon as it knows y address is 100, it will be connected like this. This also connected the same like this. Now here it is going to process y equal to y plus z, meaning that star y equal to star y plus z only, right? It is because of call by reference. So uh, y is outside waiting. If I have having star y means I'll go inside, I will try to update. 10 plus 4 is 14. Z equal to x plus y plus z, meaning that star x is 3, star x is 3, star y uh, star y is 14, star z means 14. So 28 plus 3 31, that will update it into star z. Star z is what? This one. So 31. And after completion of this statement, again my control will move to this particular location. And here they are trying to perform print x and y. What is the value of x? 31. What is the value of y? That is 3. So you are going to get the answer as 31 and 3. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.